flower. So I'm going to start by putting the things that I'm grateful for on the inside petals, and then I'm going to do some designs on the outside petals. So I'm going to start with family. So I have my daughters, my husband, and my dog. I'm actually going to put my dog on a separate one because she really brings a lot of joy to me. I'm going to put the ocean. The ocean is really important to me. Going there makes me feel so relaxed. I'm going to put time. Time is important to me. Being able to have the time to do things that are important to me. I'm going to put creating. That relaxes me. I'm going to put friends. And I'm going to put love. That's mainly my husband, who's very supportive of me and all my crazy ideas. And then I'm going to put a whole bunch of designs in these petals in the background. So the other thing you could do is you could expand on these. So you could say like going for a walk with my dog, and you can name your family, and you can say the ocean relaxes me, and having time to do the things I love, and those types of things. Or you can do designs. So I'm going to, since I have love here, I'm going to start with some hearts. Yeah, and you really can just do anything that you want. I'm going to do the ocean over here. Kind of goes along with that. Maybe some designs inside in the waves. I'm going to do some swirly. So these are, you do 3 lines. And then 3 lines, 3 lines. Wherever there's a point, you can do your curves, or however you want to do it. This is just a pattern I like to do. So this is sort of like a modified Zentangle, where you put patterns inside of a shape. It could be any shape, really. And then the shape is divided up. It's easier to make patterns inside of each of the different shapes. I'm going to do swirls, because I always have swirls in all of my artwork. Swirls to me means new beginnings and growth. And it's from the unfolding of the fern frond. In New Zealand, it's a very popular part of artwork, and I lived there for a while, so it's just something I always seem to put in my artwork. Put some flowers. Flowers are something I'm grateful for, especially when it's spring right now. So you can really put anything. You can just color them. You can just do anything you want. And okay, I'm going to show you another cool pattern where you start with 3 lines going down, and then 3 lines going across. 3 lines going down, 3 lines going across. Can't really see that line. And then you do the opposite when you come on the other underneath. So I'm going across, down, down. This one's getting to be a long section, so I did 4 lines. I might split this up now into So there we go. This is almost finished. I think I'm gonna color in the center. Add some more interest, and I'm gonna color in the petals. Colors of green for interest. Let's do a darker green, and I'm just using a regular. I have like I have a sort of a collection of different markers that are my favorite, so I'm using like Sharpies and art markers, but you can really use anything that you want. And there you have it. There is my flower. I hope you enjoyed this gratitude flower, and just doing these patterns in the background just make me feel relaxed and calm. So I hope it did the same thing for you. Enjoy. Bye.